Welcome to Cooking with Amanda M. Today we're making some shrimp scampi. To cook this up, we're going to use linguine, parsley, 4 tablespoons of butter, a lemon, 5 garlic cloves, a pound of shrimp, it's cooked shrimp by the way, some dry cooking wine, olive oil, red pepper flakes, black pepper, and salt. So you're going to start off by rinsing out your parsley and chopping it up. Now I'm gonna chop the garlic. I like my garlic as minced as can be, but you can chop it to your taste. I'm finished with the chopping board. Now I filled up a pot with water. I added some extra virgin olive oil and salt so I can get it to a boil. I'm using a cast iron skillet to cook my shrimp. You can use whatever pan you have handy. Now I'm coating the skillet with extra virgin olive oil. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. The pot with water is finally starting to boil, and I'm going to add half of the box of linguine. Now back to the skillet, I'm tossing in the minced cloves of garlic. Drop in 4 tablespoons of butter and mix it in well until it melts. I'm tossing in the shrimp and I turn the heat to medium since these are pre-cooked shrimps. Now add some salt and pepper to your taste and mix it all together. Squeeze 1 whole lemon and then add 1/4 cup of dry white wine. That parsley we chopped up earlier, now we're gonna toss it in. This is all done. I'm grabbing my tongs and I'm adding the pasta to the skillet. I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper on it and just mix all of this together and get ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. This is gonna taste so good. If you like this recipe and this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.